Bored? Hi guys, I'm here with Sean, and today we're doing the top 5 ways to revise. The first and simplest way, these are Sean's revision CGP guides, to buy some CGP revision guides. Great books. The second way is to use Quizlet, and then you can use Quizlet. It's a great way. You can do it for vocab, such as French, have the term and definition. Great way. And it's free. The third way to revise, to go on Sam Learning. Sam Learning is a great website. You can try go on loads of different subjects, and you can you fill in blank words. You fill in the missing words on Sam Learning. There are loads of different activities, and it's specific for the GCSE course. And it's free. Fourth tip is to revise on long car journeys or on long train journeys, or whenever you're going anywhere for a long time. It's a great way because you're not thinking about any other things. It's just a great way to revise. And it's free. The fifth and best way to revise is to watch some bored education videos. They'll be coming out soon, probably in the next month or so. Great videos. With that, guys, goodbye from Bored. Enjoy revising and good luck.